everyone, happy Vlogmas. Today's episode, I always say episode, I am going to be doing a closet clean out, so I'm going to be trying on a lot of my clothes and kind of just like showing you guys what I don't want to wear anymore. And then tomorrow I'm doing the closet clean out sale, which I'm doing it at Tribeca, so I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through my closet back there, get rid of a bunch of stuff and sell them tomorrow. 10% of the proceeds is actually going to Dress for Success, and then whatever I don't sell I'm actually donating also. So let's begin, because I actually need a lot of hangers, and there's just like all of these clothes here I don't have hangers for, so I'm gonna get a bunch of hangers and empty out my closet. And I actually think, you guys, I think that I'm going to join Nuuly, N-U-U-L-Y. It's like Rent the Runway, but for more casual pieces, like not business casual, just more like cute casual. It's an Urban Outfitters, Free People, and Anthropologie brand. So all of those are on there, which is totally my style. It's only $88 a month, and you get 6 pieces. So I think I'm actually gonna join that. This is not sponsored, but I actually wanna reach out to them to see if they wanna partner with me, because the girl today, I did a shoot today and she had like the cutest jacket on. She's like, oh, I just rented it from Nuuly. So I think it's a really, really great deal. But yeah, I want to see if I wanna do a partnership with them, but even if I don't, I think I'm still gonna do it because it's just like so my style, and it saved me so much money. Like yesterday, for example, I just bought this, which I would still buy stuff like this because I wear this all the time, like the sweat set, but like I spent $100 on that, you know? So things like, I don't know, I think it'll be cool, especially for what I do, like having to take pictures and like styling outfits and stuff. It'd be cool to experiment with my fashion. It's less wasteful because I don't have a closet filled with stuff that I don't want. So I think I'm gonna join that. But anyways, I'm about to clean out my closet and show you guys the process of that. So I'm actually gonna start with my coat rack. I do think I'm gonna get rid of a few coats and things that I either have never worn or don't wear anymore. I actually, before I moved to New York, I did a closet clean out, but if I haven't worn it in a while or I don't see myself wearing it again, I'm gonna get rid of it. I really want to start being more minimal and more intentional with the things I buy. I'm going to start buying like higher end things, and not higher end like designer, but just things that I can see myself wearing, like maybe like plain basic things that I can wear with a lot of different outfits, better quality. Like I don't want to shop at Forever 21 anymore, boo-hoo. I actually just turned down a sponsorship for one of those fast fashion brands, and it was like a pretty good paying. They would give me like $500 worth of clothes, which at a store like a fast fashion place like that is actually a lot of clothes, and I turned it down because I'm like, I want to stray away from that and I don't want to be promoting that anymore. So I'm actually kind of, I mean, I'm not a minimalist by any means, like I'm not a minimalist at all, and I'm not ever probably going to be, but I do want to be better at like buying things that I'm actually going to wear, and instead of like, if brands send me things, like not just like taking things just because I can. So I'm gonna get better at that too. But anyways, onto this coat rack. I just recently got this from Bellari. It is so cute, and I haven't worn it yet, but it just started getting cold, so that's why. So I'm definitely gonna keep this because I just got this and it's like amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Okay, this I'm actually going to get rid of. I thought I would wear it, but I haven't worn it once in the fall, and it's Free People, so it's actually really good quality, but I just like haven't worn it at all. So I think I'm going to get rid of this one. It's really cute, but if I haven't worn it, I'm just gonna get rid of it. Someone else will enjoy this very, very comfortable long shawl. I think I got this like 2 years ago. I got this 2 years ago. I'm like, oh, should I keep it? But no, I didn't wear it this year, so it's coming. This is from my store, Shop Barbu. I'm 100% keeping it. This is like my favorite red puffy coat, so this will definitely be kept. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of this just because I haven't really worn it that much. I like it, but like, I don't know, I don't wear it often, and I feel like this will actually sell really well, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't really wear it that often. Okay guys, I got this from Princess Polly this year, and I did a haul in it and I showed you guys, and I think it's so cute, but it's not that realistic to wear. It's one of those things where it's like so cute for a photo, but to wear on the daily basis, it's not that realistic. So I am going to get rid of this as well. It's so cute though. I just hadn't worn it, and like, I don't know, it doesn't keep you as warm because it's cropped, but I do really like it, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it because I didn't wear it this fall and I had every opportunity to. This is a black fuzzy jacket. I love, it's kind of like the red one. I am not getting rid of this. I love all of my teddy coats. Absolutely obsessed with this like long teddy coat. I got this gifted to me and it's like my absolute favorite. I will never get rid of this. This is the best. Okay guys, I'm having trouble with this. I think this is fun, so I think I'm gonna keep it. I've worn it once, so I have actually worn it. And I also just got this gifted to me, so I don't want to get rid of it yet. I feel like weird about giving away the gifted things, but I think I can actually dress this up, so I'm going to keep it because I do need something like fun. I am gonna give this teddy coat away. I just haven't really worn it that much and it's a little thinner, so I'm not even gonna have an opportunity to wear it this year. Someone else can have it. And then this is another one that doesn't keep you that warm and I have yet to wear it. So this is a TBD if I'm gonna get rid of it because I did just get it. I did just get it and it was gifted to me, so I feel weird again about getting rid of it. I think I can wear it. I think I can find an outfit to wear this with. What do you guys think? I think I like it. I think it's cool. I'll find something. I'll go out on the town in this red snakeskin. Okay, so that's my coat rack. So now let's move on to the main closet. So this right here is my closet. I'm just gonna go through some things. I don't need to make commentary on everything, but I'm just gonna get rid of anything that I haven't worn in a while, that I don't love anymore, and get rid of it. Stuff like this is like a really great staple, but I don't know, I just feel like the quality of Forever 21 after you wear it a few times is not the best. I don't know, I feel like I could wear this winter, but I also want to give it away, so if I'm having second thoughts about it, I'm just going to give it away. I don't hold on to things easily. I'm just like, Guys, this was supposed to be a Halloween costume and it got sent to me after Halloween, so I'm giving this away. It honestly could be like a fun like Christmas, like Mrs. Claus type outfit, so perfect for SantaCon. So if anyone in New York wants it for SantaCon. This one makes me sad because I literally just bought this year from Brandy Melville, but I haven't really worn it that much and I don't love the way it looks on me. I feel like a little kid in it, so I think I'm gonna give it away. This is another one I was obsessed with and I was debating giving it away before I moved to New York, and I was like, no, it's like my favorite shirt ever, but I think it's just run its course and I haven't worn it yet and I feel like I'm not gonna wear it anytime soon, so I'm just gonna say my goodbyes with this. But this has lasted me a lot of falls. Okay, I also got this shirt this year. I, for some reason, don't love it though. It's like a Queen t-shirt. Actually, no, I think I can keep it. I think I can keep it, actually. Okay, I'm gonna keep my t-shirts. No, I'm keeping it. This is like a good staple, but I never wear things like this. Same with this. I wore this once and haven't really worn it since then, so I'm gonna say goodbye to it. Okay, I just wore this literally 2 days ago and I don't like the way it looks on me anymore. It worked for like the 2 days ago outfit, but I feel like I can get a better quality turtleneck. This is from Boohoo, so I am going to part ways with this. I have a long puffy coat already. I don't know if I need a second one, but now that I'm feeling it, I'm like, this one's actually nice, so I think I'm gonna... Now this is the bottom part of my closet. I'm gonna go through, look at all of these tank tops, jeans. I have like 30 pairs of jeans, so it's actually an issue and I think I need to get rid of some of them. So I'm gonna tackle this next. Another Halloween costume that came too late, so I'm gonna get rid of this. like these jeans with the flames at the bottom I just don't wear, so they're cool, but they gotta go. These are a little too big on me and a belt doesn't seem to fix them, so I'm gonna toss it. These are super cool jeans that I have worn a ton, but they just like, I don't see myself wearing them again in the future, but they're such good quality. They still look brand new and they're citizens of humanity. So I feel like someone lucky will definitely get their hands on these. I used to love these jeans from LF, but I think they're a little too baggy now, so I'm gonna get rid of these and probably just get another pair of black. Should I get rid of them? I think I should. I really think I need to. And same with these. Me and Jessica Howell got these together. They're so cute, but I just feel like they're not as much my style anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of them. This has served me well, but again, it's starting to like lose the quality and it's from Boohoo, so I'm gonna toss it. Okay, here's my big pile of clothes already, and now I'm gonna go through my shoes. I feel like with shoes, I don't have that many to sell, so I have like these that I brought from home because they were too big on me. So I'm selling these never worn before Adidas. I'm also selling never worn before Doc Martens. I got these on Zappos a year or two ago and I just never returned them, and I literally never once wore them. They were just too big on me, so someone will get brand new Doc Martens if you guys fit this size, and it'll definitely be really discounted, so I'm giving that away. Any other shoes? Yeah, so I don't have that many shoes because I did do a cleansing of shoes before I moved here. So that is all the clothes, and now I'm about to go through all of like the makeup and stuff like that that I got and just give those away. Here is all of my stuff that I'm taking. It's really not that much. My friend Grace has probably like triple of what I'm taking, so she's going to have so much more, but I'm gonna have my roommate help me bring this downstairs, and then I'm gonna Uber because there's no way I'm gonna go on the subway with all of this stuff. And I also have my backpack on. This is my outfit of the day. I wear this jacket like every single day. It's just such a great winter like chic jacket that also keeps you warm. I put my hair up in a bun because I didn't have time to like actually do it. Silver hoop earrings, just like a plain Princess Polly sweater, and then my jeans are Levi's, but they're from Aritzia, and then these shoes are from Windsor, and I just noticed that you can see my sock through it, so I think I'm still gonna keep it because I don't really care. This is the look, and now I'm headed to the place. So this is the space that we rented out. My manager actually is friends with the girl who owns this space, so it actually worked out perfectly. This mirror is perfect. Like, oh, I'm really happy with it, and it's in a really great location in Tribeca, so I am very, very happy. I'm excited. I would love to have this as my office. This is so nice. Anyways, I'm just gonna start setting up. She has a bunch of hangers and racks already because she actually is a stylist, so this is just like literally couldn't be more perfect. I'm just gonna start putting my stuff on the racks, and we will go from there. All right guys, we just wrapped up the closet clean out. I am so happy with how it turned out. I am so freaking grateful for all of you guys and everyone that showed up. I didn't think a lot of people were gonna show up from the responses. I was like, maybe we'll get like 10 people, but we got a lot of people, and it was like we didn't have a break until about 4 o'clock, so I figured we should end this at 4, but so from 4 to 5 I was like editing my video and stuff, but it was awesome. I sold a lot of stuff. I came with a suitcase and a huge duffel bag and like a big like Champion bag, and then also like a little bag with my makeup, and now I only have like the duffel bag and a jacket in the suitcase. So I sold like half my stuff, which is awesome. I'm gonna let you guys know when I donate to Dress for Success, because I will be doing that online, just giving 10% of whatever we sold. And Grace and I are so happy that we did this. I really, really loved doing this and just like meeting you guys. You guys are my friends. You guys are not like followers or fans or whatever. Like I feel like every time I meet you, it's just like, oh my God, hi, like how are you? And I swear everyone that walked in here moved to New York the exact same time that I did. So it was, I don't know, we just had a lot in common. But anyways, thank you guys. Grace is putting away her stuff. And I'm so happy that we did this, and I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas episode. Bye guys.